Hi guys, it's Dom today, and today I'm going to show you how to make goo. So the ingredients that what you need is vegetable oil, nail polish, with any type you want, a spoon, and something to mix with. So I made some out of this nail polish and the clear one. So here is this color, and it's just like this. It's good, but it's still gonna have vegetable oil on it, but you're gonna have to play with it for the vegetable oil to come off of it. So, and now I'm finna, I just before I started this video, poured some into the vegetable oil and I mixed it. You could probably see it right there. Well, let me show you it. You can see it right there, right here. That, because I tried to pick it up and I'm finna start mixing it. I tried to pick it up, but it was like sticky and gooey, so I left it alone, and now I'm still stirring. And it's this, the clear, if you use clear nail polish, it is going to turn out as slime. I've been trying to make slime so long. All of it never worked, but this technique that I just tried, it worked. So now I'm just still stirring it and stirring. So I'm just gonna put this on a gum wrapper with the other one. Okay? And at the end of the video, you might need to wash your hands, because this will get messy. And I might get a nail polish scent, so you guys will go outside or just go somewhere if your parents don't allow it. So I'm finna use the rest of the nail polish. Alright, put this down right here. Alright, remove the spoon. Make sure that you guys can see. And I'm going to pour it all up in there. Alright, now I'll be right back. I have to go put this in the trash. Oh. Alright, I'm back. So once you pour all of, like half, like, let me see, about 2 tablespoons of it inside, 3 tablespoons inside your container. You will pour in how much nail polish you need or you want. You'll just start mixing it. First, it will look like this. Once you see that, it will start looking like that. But after you stir it for a while, it'll look completely different. Well, not in for a while, like for just like 2 or 3 minutes. And there you go. Mine is getting there. It's almost there. And be careful, because the oil can spill on you like it just did me. And it just did again. So it's getting there, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's getting there. It looks like this. And now I'm gonna finish it. I keep stirring until it gets the texture I want it to. Alright. And this is how it shall look when it's done. Just pull it right out, and I know it'll be kind of sticky and gooey, but like on slime videos, just keep playing with it, or just keep mixing it until it do it. So I'll be back once I get done mixing it. sorry if you can still hear me, but I'm sitting, the camera's right in front of me. And I'm using my iPhone 6, so. Let me go wash my hands real quick and get this up. Get this up and I will finish the video. Alright guys, I am back and it should be done by now. See, probably might look weird. So, and I bet you might put this on a paper plate or anything so the oil could dry off of it. For right now, plate plates are right here, so I'm finna grab one and put all 3 of them. Alright, here goes the plate. Get these 2 that's on the bubblegum wrapper. Okay, I had to because it was a fly. So now we're upstairs and I have to go get the stuff before the fly comes. I hate bugs, so. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so let's get the clear one. The clear one kind of blends in with the wrapping, the gum paper, when you get oil on it. Alright. That one. Now I'm just going to start. I did 2 of them, so I'm just going to, they are the same color, so I'm just going to put them together. And now I'm going to mix it again. Grab it, play with it. That doesn't fall. And it actually works. No stickiness. Yeah. Even though if you get oil over it and you still wash it off, but you have to play with it until it's not sticky and no more oil on it. So we're just going to sit here. Well, I am going to. Well, I don't know, but how about we're just going to sit here since you might make it, or I'm just going to sit here because we're just watching the video. I'm just going to sit here and make it. So, I made it into a little ball. Now I'm going to flatten it out. Now, every time I try to make slime, I always gotta have glue, borax, tack, cornstarch. I don't have no cornstarch. I have liquid starch and I have glue, but once I look up how to make slime with glue and other materials, but without cornstarch and all that, it shows me videos with cornstarch and glue and stuff, and I just be mad. And I made some Play-Doh with baking, with flour and dish soap, and that didn't go out. It turned into like wet sand, but not like dirt. It turned out just like dirt. But I'm just gonna sit here and knead it. Try to make a pizza out of it. Pizza. Alright. That down. Here goes the clear. Oh, the clear left the stain on the plate. Oh my gosh. And you can't even fit the clear. So the clear is a total fail. So done with the clear. See, it's sticky and stuff. Dip my hands up in oil. Still sticky. Let me stir it like I did the first one. I'm not gonna give it long like that. Alright, just stir it up. And let's see. I'm just going like that, trying to get it off me. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I finally came out. And look what it's doing. Alright. So it's getting the texture. Let's get into the plan that I'm going for. And here is not. It got stuck. So I just say use regular nail polish instead of the clear. Do not use the clear at all. It's nasty and it got boogers and it will stick to your hands. So just don't use the clear at all. I'm trying to do it as a ball again so I could get this off my fingers on my hands. Ew. Oh my gosh. Yeah.